Artificial intelligence or AI has emerged as a transformative force, revolutionizing the way we work and reshaping the landscape of future careers. As AI technologies continue to advance, their impact on jobs and careers is becoming increasingly significant. This video explores the multifaceted influence of AI on employment, skill requirements, and the overall structure of the workforce. 1. The evolution of jobs in the age of AI. The integration of AI into various industries has led to a paradigm shift in the nature of jobs. Routine and repetitive tasks are being automated, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their roles. Jobs that involve data analysis, pattern recognition, and decision-making are particularly susceptible to automation. Conversely, there is a growing demand for jobs that require emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and problem-solving, traits that machines currently struggle to replicate. 2. Automation and job displacement. One of the primary concerns surrounding the rise of AI is the potential displacement of jobs. Routine tasks, such as data entry, assembly line work, and customer service, are increasingly being performed by AI systems and robots. While this automation enhances efficiency and reduces costs for businesses, it raises questions about the fate of workers in these traditional roles. However, historical precedents, such as the Industrial Revolution, suggest that while certain jobs may be displaced, new ones will emerge. The challenge lies in ensuring that the workforce is equipped with the necessary skills to transition into these new roles. 3. The reskilling imperative. As AI technology evolves, there is a growing need for reskilling the workforce. The skills required in the job market are evolving, with an increased emphasis on digital literacy, programming, and a deep understanding of AI technologies. The onus is on individuals, educational institutions, and businesses to invest in continuous learning to stay relevant in the changing job landscape. Governments and organizations must collaborate to create reskilling programs that address the needs of the workforce. Initiatives focusing on upskilling employees and providing them with the tools to adapt to a technology-driven environment are crucial for mitigating the negative impacts of job displacement. 4. The rise of new professions. While certain jobs may be automated, the integration of AI also gives rise to entirely new professions. AI engineers, data scientists, ethical AI specialists, and automation analysts are examples of roles that have emerged to support and manage AI systems. These professions require a unique skill set that combines technical expertise with an understanding of ethical considerations, legal implications, and societal impact. The demand for interdisciplinary skills is increasing, creating opportunities for individuals who can bridge the gap between technology and other domains. The ability to collaborate across disciplines becomes crucial as AI continues to permeate diverse industries, from healthcare to finance. 5. AI and creativity. Contrary to the fear that AI will replace human creativity, there is evidence to suggest that AI can enhance and augment creative processes. AI tools, such as generative models and creative algorithms, are being used in fields like art, music, and design to generate innovative and novel outputs. The collaboration between humans and AI in creative endeavors highlights the potential for a symbiotic relationship, where machines amplify human capabilities rather than replace them. 6. Ethical considerations in AI employment. The widespread adoption of AI in the workplace raises ethical concerns that need careful consideration. Issues such as bias in AI algorithms, invasion of privacy through surveillance technologies, and the ethical treatment of AI-generated entities in the workplace require robust frameworks and regulations. The ethical use of AI extends to the responsible deployment of automation. Striking a balance between efficiency gains and preserving human dignity is essential to ensure that AI serves as a tool for human empowerment rather than a means of control. 7. The gig economy and AI. The gig economy, characterized by short-term, freelance, or contract work, is also influenced by AI. Platforms that connect gig workers with job opportunities often leverage AI algorithms for matchmaking, performance evaluations, and dynamic pricing. While AI can streamline the gig economy, it also raises questions about job security, fair compensation, and workers' rights in this evolving landscape. 8. AI's impact on traditional industries. Traditional industries, such as manufacturing and agriculture, are experiencing a significant transformation due to AI. Smart factories equipped with AI-driven automation are improving efficiency, reducing waste, and enhancing overall productivity. Precision agriculture, enabled by AI technologies like drones and sensors, is revolutionizing crop management and resource utilization. The transition to AI-driven processes in traditional industries necessitates a workforce with a blend of technical skills and domain expertise. This transformation presents opportunities for workers to engage in roles that involve overseeing and optimizing AI systems rather than performing routine tasks. 9. Global implications of AI on employment. The impact of AI on jobs is not limited to individual countries, it has global implications. The adoption of AI technologies can lead to a redistribution of jobs across borders, with certain tasks being outsourced to regions with lower labor costs. This globalization effect raises questions about job market dynamics, income inequality, and the need for international cooperation in addressing the challenges posed by AI. Conclusion. In conclusion, the integration of AI is reshaping jobs and future careers in profound ways. While automation threatens certain routine tasks, it simultaneously creates new opportunities and demands a shift in the skill sets required for the workforce. Reskilling, ethical considerations, the emergence of new professions, and the impact on traditional industries all contribute to the complex interplay between AI and employment. The successful navigation of this evolving landscape requires a concerted effort from individuals, educational institutions, businesses, and governments. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, implementing ethical AI practices, and embracing the opportunities presented by AI, we can shape a future where technology complements human capabilities, creating a workforce that is adaptable, innovative, and empowered in the age of AI. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.